But we're taking a chill pill. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, greenroomtradinglive.com. We are in the middle of a meltdown. Go ahead and give it to me. More profit taking in the markets. We broke some pretty big levels. 40.55, Scotty. Let's do it. I'm down again, guys. You know what we're doing. Welcome, my YouTubers. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We're watching gold meltdown right now. We have a Fibonacci down at 40.55. We're going to put a little order out. We are keeping everything tiny, tiny this morning. We are trading, if you're trading futures, we are only trading micros. We're not having much risk on this morning. We have had an unbelievable week, month. It's been crazy good. So we are chilling it out on a Friday. We're going to go look at the spiders, check out the levels. We just broke a couple of very big levels that leave us kind of in nowhere's land now. We'll take a look in a minute. Just getting my orders out at 40.55. Too sexy for my house. Too sexy for my land. Getting a little bounce. You got to be careful both ways this morning now because... good morning, Mark. Because we could get a rip-roaring rally. We are so oversold and everything. Let's check out the spies, guys and girls. So we broke a very, well, I don't want to say very big, but we broke a level on a longer-term chart, okay? We broke our daily level, which was 677. Weekly level is 666 on a 9 EMA. We broke that. So let's see, where are we right now? Yeah, we're a 1.5 below on 9 EMA for the first time in a few months. First time in a few months, we have broken our first trend line. We'd have to get back to that 666 and change. So we have a gap now. Well, let's go monthly. Well, that's not going to matter. We have a little gap now, okay, on our weekly chart down to 657, which is down 10 points from here. So that's why we cannot be in a hurry to do anything right now. We are just in chill pill mode. Gold is getting a smack-a-dacka again. Okay, keep your MESs very small. We are getting extremely stretched out in gold. But we have our level at 40.55. Let's see if we can get the smack-a-dacka right there. Now, these are quick trades if we do get down to these levels, guys and girls. So we are getting smacked. Smacked. Keep our stops tight. We are only trading the micros. And boom, chakalaka. Yeah, we are definitely getting far from moving average here. Due for a bounce in the gold, but let's see if we get our spot. 40, 55, 80 if we do it right now. We don't want no bounces. We want this straight down another 7 points if we're going to get there. This is a good time for us, guys and girls, when the markets are doing things like this. It's not a time to run away and be scared. We look for our levels based on our charts, right? And we hang out. We like these times. Volatility is good for us. Also, some of the stocks that we like long-term are coming into levels that are getting attractive, and we'll go over some of them. I just want to see if this gold trade plays out for us. A previous week high is 40.43. So what we don't want to see now when we have a bid down 10 points from where we are is a big bounce up. Kind of negates what we were bidding. So we'll see what happens. We'll give it some time. What was the low? The low was 60. So now to hit our 55, we still got to go down 13 points from here. So it is still a valid trade setup. We relax. How's everybody doing on YouTube? How has your trades been going? Where are we, guys? 44 out of 45 days we have been green in the money. Just following everything we do, using our techniques for technical analysis, going nice and slow, being very patient and disciplined. And this is what we do. ESs, which is the other big thing that we trade, guys. This is the S&P 500 futures. Okay. Again, we have a Fibonacci down at 66.79. That's down 20 points from here. We have a short order up at 67. Well, we're going to relax. What do we like? 67.11. Yeah, we're going to take a chill pill. We got 67.11. Yeah, for those of you who don't know, we trade anyone who buys any of our courses. And by the way, our prices are going up next week, just so you know. Anyone who buys any of our courses, we are now including Tuesday night and Thursday night live sessions trading from 6 o'clock till 9:30. Okay, gold's coming. And let's see if we get it on this pop down, this next Papadopoulos. So if we don't get 55 on this pop, our next level below this is 43. Oh, tell me we just missed that, guys. We got the 56, Scotty. All right. Oh, we just got it. Take some profit. All right, we got 2 quick points from 55. 3 points. 4 points. Boom. That's how we do it, guys and girls. That is how we do it. Quick 2 to 4 points, guys. That is a day maker right there in gold. Love it, love it, love it. From now, we can really be on cruise control and relax. Anyone on YouTube, take that trade. Look at that. We wanted to hit our level quickly, and then we want a nice bounce. And that's how we start our day, guys. 5 points now. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. So in my trading accounts, okay, and because I trust Scotty so much, I was aggressive in that, in my one of my PA accounts. And yeah, I made $900. $900 in one account. I'll just show you guys. $849 in one account. So I had a couple of contracts there. And what else did we do? Let's take a look. We did 500 in another account, 1,300, and we did 500 in another account. So $1,800 for the day, mostly on that one trade, guys and girls. So we are on cruise control now. Let's go over everything that we got out. Next level in gold. Nike's got 40.34. We have 40.43 is the previous week high. So if you guys can see my charts, okay? Everything on my charts, if anyone becomes part of our course, we walk you through exactly how to set up your charts to look exactly like ours with all the technical analysis and everything else. We offer lifetime mentorship for everybody. Every Thursday night we get together. A couple of hours, we hang out, answer questions. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. And again, right now, our futures course is on sale for $299. All the prices are going up next week. All right, so I kind of like the 40.43. That was also a far from moving average trade. I like the 40.43, guys. That's down 16 points from here. Excellent. As did you show up last night for our mentorship meeting? We had a great meeting last night. 150 people there. It was spectacular. I'm going to put out 40.43, guys. It is down 16 points from here. Yeah, come to those meetings. We had a great night trading, and Scotty is teaching all night long. It's spectacular. I mean, you're getting 7 hours a week of live trading from 6 o'clock till 9:30. So even if you're working full time, the mentorship meetings are at 5 p.m. and then we go right into slow markets every Tuesday and Thursday night at 6 p.m. Well, whenever we finish the mentorship meetings. So yeah, spectaculicious. Scotty has not had a losing slow market since we started doing it. What do you think of them apples? So that's in addition to what we're doing here during the day. Yeah, we're not talking numbers. It's okay to say what you're doing as long as nobody's bragging about how much money they're making. So everybody pushes their own buttons. So. I'm looking at some longer term stuff, guys. I'll share with you. I just want to get my orders out at 40.43. The daily 30 is 40.31. Really? Yeah, look at that, guys. Our daily 30 EMA is 40. We'll call it 40.32. Boom. That should be a significant support level. So we got two choices. We can leave 43 out for a little trade, which is down 16 points from here. Or we can just go to that. I'm going to leave 43 out for a minute, and then I'm going to put 33 out behind that, right? 32, 40, 32. So if we don't get to the 40, 43 fast, we'll cancel that and leave 40, 32 out. So 43, if we get it on this Nick Papadopoulos down. Again, for quick trades. So if we spike down another 12 points, I still like the previous week high. Now, we are, guys and girls, in conserve money mode. We are not in a hurry to do anything. One, because it's Friday, and two, because the volatility is out of control. To see a gold ATR at 10 points is significant. So if we don't hit 43 on this pop down, we're going to cancel that. So we are trading micros with a very 8-point stop. We're risking $200 per trade. So you see, guys, I kind of wanted it to hit us on that 43 right then. We got down to what? 47. All right, now we be patient. 40.32 is the spot. We only come out at night. So you see this, guys and girls, right? If we would have hit off 43 just then, we just bounced up 10 points. It didn't hit us. So guess what? We take a chill pill. We miss as many trades as we do here, I can tell you that. It just happens. Get out 40.32.
Morning, Dave.
Morning, Pete. Welcome to the meltdown.
I love it. How bad?
Welcome back, my friends. We are done trading for the day.
Really?
Yes.
What'd you do?
A couple of good trades in gold.
Awesome. And how much is the SPY down, Dave?
We have broken a lot of levels right now. We are down $7.54.
Oh, okay. All right. That's not so bad.
And we're sitting on a very big level here. We got to gap it down to 658. That's a weekly level, just in case something crazy happens tomorrow. And if we can recover like 666, that would be healthy. So
666.
666.50 is what we need to recover.
There's the devil number. Anyway, can I just lay into everybody?
Yeah, 1 second. I just want to check to make sure what's going on here. If we're getting anything that's close to anything. No, we are good. Let me just go over to ESP and make sure our orders are good, and then it's all yours. Does anyone have a fib at 40.34? Yeah, we got a bunch of stuff around there, Doris. 40.32. We're good. All right, ES's, guys, we're good. We don't have anything down 20 points. And gold, we don't have any. Look how nice that would have been, guys, right? We missed it by 3 points. It rallied 13 points. All right, our orders are all good. Go ahead, Pete. Take it away. It's all you.
You got it. So, guys, I just got off the phone with Dan Ives, right? The big tech analyst. Obviously, it's tech that's getting eviscerated. It started yesterday. A lot of this really started the day that Palantir had great earnings, and then the stock sold off 9%. So everybody is painting this scenario that the tech thing is like a big bubble, and that AI and open AI and all this other stuff. What they're saying is this, that these companies that have committed hundreds of billions of dollars, like Microsoft and Oracle and Google, to this whole AI and this data center thing, is that it's it's questionable. They're taking on debt. Okay, these are companies that have kicked ass, right? S&P, more than 80% of the S&P have blown out earnings, okay, which is great. And their guidance is super good. And all these companies have done well and they've responded accordingly and they're up on the year. That's fine. But they're buying into this whole AI story, which is a legitimate story, okay? Trillions of dollars being committed all over the world. But whatever everybody's fear is.
I think we lost you, Pete. Did we lose Pete, guys? He's frozen.
Are not in that sector are buying
back
into it because everybody's wanting to get into the AI space. So it's really everyone's throwing the baby out with the bathwater. Everyone's fear is that November 19th, which is NVIDIA's day, the earnings are supposed to look blowout. Okay, right? Predictions on the earnings are supposed to be great, but obviously everyone's fear is that's not good enough to take the stock higher. So what everyone is feeling is, why am I staying in this trade that has been so profitable for me? So that's why you're seeing everybody dump tech. Okay, that's the bottom line. And that's fine. That's what we want, right? Markets go up, markets go down. If you're profitable for the year and you're seeing the market turn around, which is what markets do when they decide to do that, markets go up until they don't, right? And so we're in that phase right now. There's also, they drop down to only a 50% probability of a cut in December. You have to realize all these major funds are positioned in very highly interest rate sensitive portfolios, and they can't afford to not get a cut. That will completely eviscerate their whole year. So they're all upset. So what they're doing is they're getting out of tech and getting into other things that are going to outperform. So the bottom line is that all these companies that not normally would not be taking on billions of dollars in debt, that's what's scaring people. Then everybody's also saying, I've got so much good profit in all my tech for the year, because tech is what's led this market all year long. Why am I going to hang in this trade when I'm in November? I've had a profitable year. The S&P's up 17%. Why am I going to hang into this? It's only going to get worse right now, especially with NVIDIA earnings looming. And what happens if NVIDIA earnings, the response by the market is the same that happened to Palantir, and we go down more than 9% on that. So that's why everybody's getting out. They will get back in, and there will be a buying opportunity. And we need to look at this as a buying opportunity. Every pullback that we've seen historically, virtually, has been a buying opportunity, and this more than ever before, because the reality is all those numbers, all that commitment, all the billions of dollars CapEx expenditure into AI is real. Okay, it is not smoke and mirrors. And these data centers and all that stuff is real. And Oracle putting 600 billion into data centers and AI is real. This is not any kind of a bubble. That's ridiculous to even think that. You've got a stock and a sector that's taken the market up for 233 days, and then you have 3 days of selling, and suddenly it's all not real. I mean, that is just ridiculous. So the baby's getting thrown out with the bathwater. That's fine. We are traders. We're looking for opportunity. When you have a good sell-off on a Friday and you get capitulation on a Monday, these are nothing more than buying opportunities. Think about it. Nobody's been wanting to buy tech up here because it's been trading at these super frothy valuations. They're trading at record highs. We've had 44 record highs in 2025 across the board, on the NASDAQ, on the S&P, on the Dow, right? So look, right now is the time for you all to realize this is your time to get into the market. This is your time to go check out WSGTA.com. We just launched we had an amazing masterclass on Wednesday. Go to the website and watch that. Then go check out our brand new course. David and Kevin and Ked and the team just put together a futures course, super Apex friendly. Okay, it's 9 hours. It's $299. Payment plan, it's 30 something dollars. Okay, so $30 for that and $30 for Apex for literally $65 on a payment plan. You're going to be able to get into the market, learn how to trade, and start getting paid to trade. So go to the website, WSGTA.com. This is your time. This is the time you want to get trade when the market is volatile and crazy. These are these wonderful trend trade opportunities and reversal trend trade. I mean, all kinds of good stuff is happening. Go to the website, go to WSGTA.com. If you want to open up an account with Apex, it's all fine and good. We appreciate that. Use WSGTA.com. Use WSGTA as a code. You'll get Apex's best price, but go check out David, Kevin, and Ken's new futures course. It is spectacular. It's 9 hours. Money back guarantee. Comes with coaching and mentoring, right? Every Thursday night, you get to be with me and David Green. It's amazing. And the whole team. And Scotty, right? He's on board. look, there's nobody else doing what we're doing. We're here to motivate, inspire you, educate you. We're here to hold your hand. We have trade the opening bell with David and the team on
Hey,
Mondays and Fridays.
Pete,
Yeah.
I just got a, not a team. I can hear a scam from a mile away. Let me just talk about that for a minute. Scam.
What happened? What'd you get?
44 out of the last 45 days, we have been green, documented. We hold everybody's hand throughout this entire process. We are here for our traders. I am trading live every single day, all day, posting every one of my trades live in real time, skin in the game. So my suggestion is, if you can think you hear a scam from a mile away, take a hike, go somewhere else.
Yeah, right. Exactly. We don't need to sell ourselves, guys. Like, if you think we're a scam, then you're probably just you drank some bad coffee. So don't worry. We don't need to sell ourselves or prove ourselves. If there's anybody with more integrity on this earth, there is nobody. We're here. David shows his trades every day. I'm on the floor every day. So let's not even engage it, Dave. It's just
that's all good. I just listen. I give everybody a chance. If you tell us why we're a scam, I'm all ears, baby.
It's all good. They're always haters. It's all fine and good. Anyway, guys, look, the new course is spectacular, right? It comes with coaching and mentoring. There's a payment plan, money back guarantee. Okay. This is the time that you want to get involved in the market. And then you look, can you imagine that up until a few years ago, this was all not available to the general public. Now, literally for $66, you can learn how to trade and have access to the market. We are the educators. Apex is the accessibility and the funding. Together, it's a match made in heaven, and you can get paid to trade. We're seeing people look. I watched the sheet from Apex came out last week of their payouts that are in the hundreds of thousands of dollars. You want to be in this market now, whether an investing point of view or a trading point of view, this is the time to shine. So, and there's nobody that holds your hand like David and our team. We will set up your charts for you. We will do everything. And then you get to be with us on Mondays and Fridays, trading the opening bell. That's a gift, because just look, you could have bought the course and opened an account at Apex and still sit there in front of your computer when the opening bell is happening and still have no idea what to do. It's incredibly intimidating for a newcomer.
Yes, it's a family.
That's why we're here to help you out. So anyway, I'll pass it back to you, Davey.
All good, Pete. It's all good. Trading is very hard. Saying get paid to trade is what sounds fishy. I agree. Trading is extremely hard, guys and girls. We don't promise anybody riches. This is a very difficult thing to do. No question about it. It is a difficult thing to do. It takes a long time. It takes patience. It takes discipline. It takes having a game plan. It takes following the rules. We don't blow smoke up anyone's what. We tell people how hard a thing this is to do. All I can tell you is what our success is. 44 out of the last 45 days, we have been green trading this insane, crazy market. We are done trading for the day today. Here, okay? We're done trading for the day today. All right? Here's one of my accounts, traded live in front of everybody. Okay? I am up $849 from trading gold in one of my accounts. This was live in front of everybody in real time. In another one of my accounts, my futures accounts, I am up $550. That's $1,300. In another one of my accounts, my futures accounts, I am up $500. That's $1,800 that we made this morning in about 10 minutes. So there's your proof. Scam, scam, scam. It's all good. What we are doing now, guys. Yes, we really help you through the whole process. A couple of things, okay? We're trading gold and ESs today. In trading gold today, the ATR, guys, is 11 points. That is huge for gold. And what I mean by the ATR for everybody is the average true range. This adds up the last 14 5-minute candlesticks and gives us the range for each of those candlesticks. This is two to 2.5 times what it normally is. So we have to change our strategy a bit, okay? Instead of trading the mini gold contracts, which are $100 per point, we are now trading the micro contracts, and we trade 4 of them so that our risk is the same, okay? We have a 9-point stop with a maximum $400 loss when we are trading the micro contracts. Normally, we trade the mini contracts with a 4-point stop, same $400 loss. So if you're trading gold, okay, and you see an ATR, anything above 8, switch to the micros. You have to give it more room on your stop, but we're risking the same amount. So anyone who's trading gold today, especially today, you got to have at least a 8-point stop and trade the micros. In the ESs, normally we have a 4-point stop. Okay. Right now, the ATR is 7. Got to be a little more careful. Okay. So you got to watch this ATR. Instead of doing the ESs when you see a 7-point ATR, do 4 of the MESs. Give it that 7-point stop. So very, very important with this ATR, with the stop loss speed. Okay. With this ATR in the ESs, I want you to trade MESs with an 8-point stop. Same profit target. Okay. And in gold, we are going to trade the micros, the MGC, with an 8-point stop. 4 contracts. All right. By the way, guys and girls, this is all laid out in all your rules for futures, for everything. It's all laid out. Everything is there for you guys in the course. Okay. I want to look at a few stocks. Let's just go over the orders that we have out right now. All right. Because we are going to be really patient this morning. And take a chill pill. Okay. We have an order out in gold at 40.32. Where are we getting that from, guys and girls? We had to go all the way to, where is it? Our daily chart, okay? Our daily chart. And if we look up here, our 30 EMA is 40.31. So that is a level that we've hit a few times and bounced off every time. There it is. By the way, we set up all your charts to look exactly like ours too. So 40.30, it's like 40.31. We're cheating a little bit. That is a big daily level. So we're out at 40.32. Okay. If it goes down 10 points from here. Oops, Dave Green just left out. Did we have an order, guys? At 43? Shit. Yep. I had an order at 43, guys and girls, which I just got hit on. All right, check this out. So I had an order earlier at 40.43, the previous week high. I know, I forgot it. And just made another $400 in that account. 40.43, that was our previous week high, just to point out the technicals. And I made 2 points on a couple of contracts, another $400. So $2,000 up on the day now for you non-believers. All right, so now we have the 40.32 out, guys. That is a daily chart down 12 points from here. So let's keep our eyes on it. We always want it to go fast to hit one of our levels. If it doesn't hit one of our levels fast, we are going to cancel. So you see my order out there at 40.32. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Okay. Wow, there's a lot going on this morning, guys and girls. A lot. I'm just putting my orders into my Apex account. Okay. 40.32, you see I have it, and I cheated by 10 cents to 40.32.10. Now, I can tell you this right now, because we've had a few of these good trades this morning, I'm not even in a hurry to trade anymore today. We are going to be ultra conservative. I'm 450 ways from blowing my account. Should I just trade 1-2 micros from that? Anthony, if we get down to 40.32 in gold, buy a few contracts. That's what I would do in the GC and see if it holds. If it don't, who cares? You're going to blow it up anyway. Actually, yeah, you have a 4-point leeway, so at least buy one and try to get 5 points out of it. We'll see what happens with that. Okay, where are the spiders? Spiders are still below everything. Let's check the ESs. And we're bouncing. All right. So where do we want to short the ESs now, guys and girls? We're getting a bounce, right? So we have our 30 EMA is 66.99. I don't like that because we can get ripped anytime now. VIX has a fib at 07, and we have our 65 EMA, okay, at 14. So to be conservative, we're going to put an order out where it tells us to short it. When something's going up, I'm looking for places to short it. Okay. When something's going down, we're looking for places to buy it. I'm going to trust VIX's fib. We trade a lot of Fibonacci's, guys and girls. So we're going to do 6607. Someone in the private trading room has a Fibonacci at 6607. We do a lot of trading off Fibonacci's. And it's up 11 points from here. So we'll do some MESs. 6707. We'll do a couple of MESs. Boom. 6707. The course, guys, I see a lot of people asking you. Just go to WSGTA.com. Yeah, you want to know how much our futures course is? It's $299 and includes lifetime mentorship. It includes Tuesday and Thursday night slow markets trading. One-time payment, you never have to pay us again, ever. And it includes all that stuff. So you are not going to get a cheaper course than that anywhere in the world. And the prices are going up on Monday. We don't have to sell ourselves, guys and girls. We have thousands and thousands of students, and a ton of them are making money. Me, Scotty, Kevin, Ken, we get emails every day from people. I qualified my account. I'm taking my first payout. I'm taking my second payout. So take what you want from us. It's all good. I am here to help everybody. That's it. $299. Yep. Lifetime mentorship, 7 hours of extra trading during the week. You tell me where you're going to get better than that. The buy at the 66, 69 level is a Fibonacci that we have down there. That's why we have that out there. We have 6707 because we have a Fibonacci retracement level from the low that would line up at that 6707 level. Bump, bump, bump. Yes, you can do it from Canada. If you don't have Thinkorswim in Canada, so we use Thinkorswim for our trading system, okay? I mean, for our charts. That's all I use Thinkorswim for. I use Interactive Brokers for my trading, okay? All of the trades that I do in my regular Interactive Brokers account are going to be on the micro contracts. Everything here is going to be a micro contract, okay? Yes, of course, you get the whole system, not just the course, and us. And us. So these are my live trades that I do all day long. And then in my Apex accounts, okay, you see what I've done. I made $2,000 today already. That's where I trade the mini contracts. So I'm a little more aggressive over there because they're paid accounts. I'll see if I get some free accounts today. I got to tell you this, guys. You signed up for the course. In the Resource Center, Azir, there is a link for slow markets, and there is a link for Thursday nights. Okay. Boom, chakalaka. All right. If we get hit in gold at 40.32, I'm trying to get to all your questions, guys and girls. Okay. We are going to trade 4 mini contracts with an 8-point stop and look to make between 1 and 5 points profit. Well, 1 and 10 points. Micros, I'm sorry. We are going to trade 4 micros with an 8-point stop if we get down there. And we'll look to make between 2 and 5 points, maybe a little more in the micros because you can stretch it out a little bit more and get more profit out of it. You can do it from Canada, guys. Okay. So I'm going to go over the stop orders for the futures and the ESs for today. Gold. We are trading the micro contracts. 4 contracts if it hits one of our levels with an 8-point stop. ES. We are trading the micro contracts. 4 contracts with an 8-point stop. Okay. 8-point stop. Boom. The PDF for what, Crystal? In the course? What exactly are you looking for? All right. Do we want to short gold? We've had a nice little rally up here. Let's take a peek. Let's see what we got, guys. Our trend is 40.64. No way. Our 15 EMA is 40.76. That's up 20 points, guys. What do we think? Trading room? Do we like the 15 EMA at 40.76 for a trade up 22 points? Anybody? It's up 20 points from here. I absolutely like it. You kidding me? That'd be up 20 points and hit off 15 EMA, 40.76. Now, for everybody in the trading room, yeah, no, the spread's fine. For everybody in the trading room, okay, we're not using the 15 EMA Santiago. Oh, this is a trend trade, Santiago. Okay, and it happens to be both This would be a trend trade, and it would move far enough to qualify for a regular moving average trade. So it's really both. It's two. Okay. Oh, you guys can't see me. I didn't have my camera on. There we go. So that would be both. Okay. Up 20 points. You found the link. Not only do you have weekly mentorship markets, but slow markets as well. There you go. Is there? Boom. Okay. How did we come up with the 15 EMA? Okay. Cool. Yeah, but in this case, Santiago, you're right. Santiago's saying aren't trend trades not good until 9:45. In this case, because we're moving up 22 points to hit it, we will make an exception, Santiago. Okay. So I'll call it the trend and a regular moving average trade because we're moving up that far. It's all good, man. It's good. It works. All right. So we went over our stop orders for gold and the ESs today. All right. Everybody good? Good. Let's go over our orders again. MGC is the micro ticker for gold. MGC. All right. ES. We still like the 60.07. That's up 17 points from here. We still like our 66.99.75. Gold, we're good at 40.32 and 40.70. Let's talk about Tesla for a couple minutes. All right. And we bounced a little bit off the lows. We are trading at $383. So you can see that I have a marker out at 371 bucks. What a marker is, guys and girls, it'll just tell me if something gets to one of my prices. Doesn't necessarily mean I'm going to make a trade there. It'll just tell me that something is getting to a price that I'm interested in looking at. And I'll show you guys why. Because this market has come up so much, I am looking at daily and weekly charts to try to find support levels in some of these stocks, right? What the hell did I just do? I don't know, but oh my God. 402.40. What? I don't even want to talk about that one. But I just made another $1,000 by mistake. Okay. Because this morning is getting smack-a-dacked, this market is getting smacked so hard. And I have long-term investments in a bunch of stocks. Let me just give me a sec, guys. Let's put out the 4032 in my accounts again here. So right now I have my regular trading account. I have the private trading room. I have my wealth charts PA account. I have my Apex PA accounts. So I'm juggling a few things this morning. Okay. 4032 is good in gold. Again, guys, Scotty's done trading for the day. Yeah, I'm done trading for the day too. But unfortunately, we have to be here for a little bit longer. All right, so 4032 is our next spot in gold. We'll see if we spike down 15 points. Yeah, just go on to a different account. Yes, MGC is the micro ticker for gold. All right, so let's look at Tesla. Okay. All right, we are trading at 380 bucks. So first thing I do is go to a daily chart. We broke our 65 EMA at 411. So that is actually a short signal. When we break a big level like that, that is a short signal. Weekly chart. Okay, here we are on a weekly chart. So weekly, our 15 EMA was 400. We busted through that. Gone. Now my next spot is $371. Boom. $371 is my next spot. That's a weekly chart. That'll be down $75, almost 20%. So I put a marker out at 371 in Tesla. And the reason I'll look at that is maybe I want to buy some options for next week in Tesla. So if we get to 371, and I wouldn't buy the stock, I might look to buy some options down 70 points in 5 days. It's getting a little bit oversold. Gold is coming. Where's gold? All right. I still like gold if we spike down 10 points from here. You can use TradingView. If Think or Swim doesn't work in Canada, you can use TradingView, and we walk you through how to open up, set up your charts on TradingView also. Okay? Walk you through how to open up your charts on TradingView also. There was one button to get all your charts set up. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. All right, let me shut this down. Let me shut this down. Just going to shut down my wealth charts. Yeah. $1,900 in that account today. That's enough. And it's one less thing I have to look at. Okay, so we got 40.32 out in gold. 38 was the low. We'll still do this a couple of minutes. It's still down 10 points to get there. Let's see. What are the ESs doing? Bish, we still good at 67.07, or do we want to go up to 13 for the opening? What do you think? You guys tell me. Still up 12 points, Fish. Do you like it still for the opening? Cancel the short and gold for now. Let's get rid of that. BMNR is another one I was looking at, guys and girls. Yeah, all right. Let's leave it until the opening. We got 10 minutes left. That's fine. And again, we're only on minis now, so take a chill pill. BMNR is another one I was looking at. It's one of these AI crazy stocks that got way out of hand. Right? If we go to a daily chart, this thing got up to $70. So here's where I'm looking. My 200 EMA on a daily chart is 33.50. Right there. So I got a marker out of 33.50. It's another one I'd probably look to do some options if we get hit at that level. Wow, gold just ripped up. Didn't miss us by much. Ripped up $15. This is why in gold, guys and girls, we got to have that big, it's got a gigantic ATR. I mean, this is approaching ATRs we haven't seen in a long time, 10 points. So how low did we get? We got to 38. Yeah, we missed it by 6 points. So we're still going to leave out that 32 for the opening. That's down 20 points from here. So we're good with that. ESs were good. Yes, exactly. Target point for MES is between 2 and 5 points. How do you set this up on Think or Swim? We walk you through how to do it in your course. One button sets it up. No, I would buy calls if we got to that in BMNR. If we do, Jose, I will let you know. Also, another thing we give everybody, guys, is access to our private Twitter sphere. Every time I do a swing trade or an option trade, you get an email. You get an alert on Twitter. So that's another thing that we add to the pile. All right, gold short side. What do we like? What do we like? What do we see? Where are we trading at 50? Do we like 70 in gold now? Do we have to lower it a little bit? It's up 17 points from here. I don't know. I don't even want to sell gold. You know what? Let's put one out if it gets up there fast. 40.70. I'm kind of in the camp, guys and girls, that I might cancel. I'm certainly going to cancel any shorts in gold when we get closer to the opening. And if we don't get hit on this ESs in the next couple of minutes at 07, we're going to cancel that too for the opening. I'm kind of in the camp, guys and girls, and you guys tell me, private trading and everybody else, canceling everything for the opening and just sitting back a little bit and taking a chill pill and not getting caught in anything, a big giant move. Yeah, well, we'll get the orb set up and watch that. But I think as we get close to the opening, let's just cancel everything and let things settle in. I mean, I'll leave the gold if we spike down 20 points to 32, but I think that's about it. We got our orb set up, guys and girls. For those YouTubers who don't know what the orb is, it's an opening range breakout. We have got a ton of trades off that also. We teach you what that is and how to trade it also. Let me just make sure I'm set up properly. 9:30, 1600, 5 minute, boom, chakalaka. So at 9:30, you'll see the orb start to form, and we'll walk you through how to do that if it sets up for a trade. A boom, a boom, a boom, a boom. All right. Anybody know what time it is? Anyone know what time it is? It is peanut butter coffee time, peanut butter coffee time, peanut butter coffee time. Does the course have something for setting the orb for us? It certainly does. Yeah, guys and girls, it really is a one-stop shop. If you can't afford $300 to join us and be part of our family, and you probably shouldn't be trading, but whatever. we don't have to push it. Everybody, we got plenty of people that have joined our family. For those of you who are visiting this week, in the green room, guys and girls, for you YouTubers, is our live trading room. We trade the markets live all day, every single day. Yes, I'll look at SPY for you, Sam. It's a beautiful course. Yes, it is. Green room is a separate thing. We don't have a lot of people in there. We just trade. Yeah, CRWV is another one I want to look at, Sam, because it's getting to a level where I might want to do something in that too. All right, so here we are in the spiders again, guys and girls, okay? So, yes, there's 7 hours of options trading in the course, Christian, if you decide to take the course that has futures, options, and stocks. Guys, our futures course we have, then we have another level course that has futures, stocks, and options. We have 7 hours of stocks, 7 hours of options. You are not pigeonholed into trading futures if you don't want to. And then we have our ultimate package, which includes all that plus a live boot camp, which we have next week. All right, so here we are in the SPYs. Here's the level I'm looking at, guys and girls, okay? It's a weekly level. And it is, no, not weekly, not monthly, weekly. And it is 666.56. So for us to be constructive, we need to get back above that. And we're like, 50 cents away from that. So if we can get over that 666.56, then we've held that weekly level, and it's a good thing. Okay. So we'll see. This is it right here, the 9 EMA on a weekly chart. We need to get above that. So we'll see. It doesn't make much difference for us for trading, but you asked me to look at it, and I did. Right? But that's a level that we have to get above. CRWV. Yeah. I'm looking at this one. I don't think it's going to get to my level. Look at this daily chart, guys. So CRWV, yeah, I'm going to cancel 07 for now. I'll leave 69 out because we ain't going to get that. I'm kind of okay with gold, guys. You okay with that? Down 20 points, up 18 points. Let's leave it for a couple more minutes. So CRWV is almost setting up for a reversal swing trade. That is another thing we teach you how to do, by the way. This is down 3 days in a row. Yeah, I'm cheating by a point, Scotty, if we go down 20 points. Small. This is down. It's actually working on 9 days in a row down, right? But since the earnings come out, we're down 3 days in a row. We are down 20 points. If this gets to a 20 RSI on a daily chart, that's where I would look to start buying some. If we get down to a 20 RSI on a daily chart, and my weekly chart, I have this 60 level. Now, I am definitely in BMNR if we get to the 60 level. I would become an investor in that at 60. Start with my smallest amount, add to it if we break below that, sell upside calls against it, do a bunch of call options if we get down there. So that's my level, 60 bucks. 67 is our 30 EMA. That interests me too. Maybe I start there. Probably start at 67 for the CRWV. So you can write down those two levels. And again, guys, we do not give financial advice. Okay. Never tell anybody what to buy and sell, even when we're day trading. All these orders you see up here, guys and girls, are my orders. Okay. I am pushing my own buttons, just like everybody in this room and everybody who ever comes with us pushes their own buttons. We don't tell anybody where to buy and sell anything. I'm trying to teach you so you learn how to do it yourself. So 67 bucks is a spot that I'll start buying some options and stuff in this thing. So let me put a level here. CRWV, John, is something that I've just followed for a while. Matt was involved in the IPO. My son works for a venture capital firm. So it's something I've been following. Come on, where's my alert? Alert. 68 I will put in at or below. Boom, chocolate. All right. What time is it? 9:13. Let's go over our orders one more time, and then we'll take a little break before the bell rings. I put up oil for a second, Scotty, and then I got rid of it immediately. All right, ES. For the opening, let's put out 67.12. That is up 17 points from me. I like it now. 67.12. We are not going to get hit on the buy side, I don't think. Right? That ain't going to happen. Do we like a double bottom? At 75, guys, down 20 points. Give me the consensus. I say yes. Double bottom. And we're looking up and down 20 points, so I think we're good. 66, 77, 50. Again, we're small. Yeah, I'll tell you how small I am, okay? You guys adjust accordingly. I'm doing one contract for the rest of the day in these things. That's it. Double bottom, 66, 77, 50. 67.12 is our 65 EMA. You guys do you. Okay? Gold. What are we looking at? Still like that 40.32. That's down 20 points. I am going to cancel the short side. I don't like gold short. Oops, I canceled the wrong one. Boom, boom, boom. 66.77. So the only thing we have out in gold is the downside if we spike down 20 points. Yeses, we got both sides. Canceled the wrong gold. 40.32. That's it. This is what we got. 2 orders in the MESs, and markers in BMNR and Tesla. All right, I'm going to fill out my coffee. Get ready to rock and roll. Take a chill pill. And back in Fiverr.
Hey guys, anybody home? Where's Dave? On a break?
Hey, Peter.
Trinia, what's up, my darling? How are you?
I'm pretty good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. So Dave,
Dave went to get a coffee.
okay, great. So then I'll pick it up. So guys, I'm back on the floor, right? Market's down 70 handles. A lot going on, right? This is a very tech centric sell off in so many different ways. My gut is that people are trying to preserve what profits they had in the year. A number of different reasons this is happening. Look, we know NVIDIA earnings are coming out on the 19th, right? People's fear is that it's going to happen what happened with Palantir. If you guys don't know, Palantir had blowout earnings the other day, right? And yet, with all that, they hit on every piston completely. And the market sold off. Palantir was down 8%, and it took the whole market down with it. So why would that happen? Look, you've got to understand there are lots of different players in the game. First of all, the stock ran up big into earnings, right? There's an old adage on Wall Street, buy the rumor, sell the news. So look, there was no way for the stock to go higher on great earnings. The only thing it could do was going to be profit taking for people who bought it up, right? So that makes sense. Also, you've got a lot of things going on. You're seeing that all these companies, everybody should notice that the whole AI space is being monopolized by the big players. Microsoft, Oracle, NVIDIA, Palantir, all these guys are buying up all of the supply of GPUs and the whole thing about data centers and all that. They're monopolizing the whole game. And so they're committing hundreds of billions of dollars. What the investment community is fearful of is that these guys are all taking on debt that they had not had before. They're playing in a pond that they had never not been in, right? A lot of these companies who are committing to this data centers and AI and all this stuff were never in that sector, right? They are more in cloudish centers and in computing and but not necessarily AI. So look, everybody's jumping on that board. We are still in the second. Look, I was on this morning with Dan Ives, #1 tech analyst in the world. He's the one, him and Dave called NVIDIA at $103 back in 2024, in the early part of 2023, 24, whatever it was. Anyway, look, we are still in the second inning of this game, right? Of a 9-inning game that's going into extra innings. We haven't even seen any of this stuff be built out yet, right? So everyone needs to calm down. My gut is that this is nothing more than an opportunity, right? We as traders should take advantage of this sell-off as a place to start make some trades, right? That's what you do, right? Obviously, crypto, that's going through its own problem. Obviously, gold too. But look, when things like this happen, everybody kind of wants to go into cash. We're seeing the VIX, the fear index, down 12% yesterday, down 12% today, right? So you're seeing the fear come into the market. Everybody's going into cash. They're trying to preserve what profits they have for the year. You know, you can see a whole year be up 17%. Some of these guys are up more double digits than that, and it get wiped out sector-wise in a couple of days. And so what people are they're fearful of is, I don't want to give back the money I've made this year. We've given back all the profits of crypto from the whole year in a couple of weeks, right? So that's kind of wild. So look, 2 weeks ago or 5 days ago, we were trading at record highs and things were, trading at wild valuations, and everyone's saying there was never going to be another down day on Wall Street. And now 2 or 3 days later, we're talking about the end of the world. Markets go up, markets go down. When markets go down, you look for opportunity. You don't suddenly freak out, because if you've done that, you can go back to every pullback that we pulled back or consolidation or sell-off that we had in 2024. And if you had freaked on it, then you have missed tons of opportunities, right? We had a great 2024 was a fascinating year. It was up. January, February, March, we had a little bit of a 8% pullback in April. We had a little bit of a pullback in July. We had a pullback in September, and we had one in November. Every one of those pullbacks that were sort of felt like today, where everybody feels like they're running for the exits and it's the end of the world, blah, 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 were nothing more than buying opportunities. Everybody needs to sit back and calm down. Look, is this the beginning of something way worse? I don't know. But you've got a sector that's taken this market up so much, and suddenly there's a little bit of a turn of sentiment or profit taking, and suddenly it's smoke and mirrors. It's not real. That is such a ridiculous, catastrophist way of looking at these things. All of the CapEx money that's been put into AI and to data centers, all this, it's real. These are large corporations. These guys are not investing in things that are not real. So to think that you're just suddenly just pivoting on this whole thing and it's all garbage, no. Profit taking makes sense. A November pullback and a sell-off makes sense. That's what people do. Preserving your profits for the year. That makes sense. It can happen in a couple of days. That's just the bottom line of a market that's trading incredibly frothy. That's been up on look, it's been a pretty broad-based rally, but a lot of it has been tech. And look, and at the end of the day, we are still in a tech revolution. That doesn't go away because the stocks are down 2, 3, 4, 5%. That's just the bottom line. Anyway, we launched a course a couple of weeks ago. It's a futures course, right? Trust me, it is $299. There's a payment plan. We've got Apex. That's your accessibility and funding platform, which is available on our website, on my on the YouTube channel, all over the place. The bottom line: this is the last couple of days that the course is going to be at this price. Right, we are reevaluating it because basically we're believing that this stuff, we're giving away the stuff way too cheap. David's time, David's energy, David's expertise is being given away too cheap, as is mine. So everybody needs to hop on board. We are live trading the opening bell on Mondays and Fridays. That alone is worth the gift, right? David's boot camp is extraordinary, right? The equities course, unbelievable. But we just launched a new futures course. It's $299. You buy that course. On a layaway, it's $30 a month, and then you get Apex for $33, whatever it is. Okay, what's up, Scotty? And so imagine that this is an opportunity never before seen, where you can actually learn how to trade the market and get in and have accessibility and funding to trade the market for like $66. So, and then now we're getting a great sell-off, which makes it even more exciting. Right, because these are the kind of days when money is made. Dave said they already stopped trading. You guys had made your money, on the first couple of trades before the market even opens. Right, I got to run back up there to trade the opening.
We do too. We got to get ready. Thank you, Pete.
Love you. Goodbye.
Love
buddy.
you.
Yep. Ciao.
Ciao, baby. Would we try to trend gold at 40.65? I would not. Guys, we have these wackadoodle orders out here for the opening. That's what we are leaving. I'm not looking to do anything. If one of these get hit, that's a beautiful thing. Otherwise, we're doing nothing for the opening. We are going to relax, let things do what they got to do. Okay? So the only orders we have out are very far away from anything that's trading right now. 40.32 is a weekly level in gold. Weekly, daily, I don't remember what it was now. Let me see what it was. Yeah. It is a daily 30 EMA. Yeah, Shane, especially now, no, we are doing nothing. That is exactly right, Santiago. You're going to have the same risk as you do. But yeah, you're going to make a little less. That's fine. We make a little less on almost all of our trades. If I have a 4-point stop in gold normally, if I make 2 points, I'm good. 3 points is great. But we have over an 80% hit rate, so that's how we can do that. So it's cool, man. We'll let them open. Like I said, we did our job for today, most of us. If you haven't, then just take a chill pill, please. It's Friday. They're going to shut my power off around 10:30, Scotty. So I will be done for the day at 10:30. And I'm stretching them to do that. Me too, Shane. Trend trading in gold doesn't work out that much. Look, if we were all the way down here and spiked up 25 points to hit this trend, then I'm in. But the trend right now is what? 6 points away from where we're trading? No. Let's put out 40.84. I got it out. Yeah, 40.84 in gold. That's our 30 EMA. If it goes up 25, 30 points from here, that's where we'll be. And we're just chilling it out. Is it okay if I use Kraken as well? Yes, you can use any trading account that you want. You don't have to use Apex. Use Top Step Trader. Use Take Profit Trader. We don't care which one you use. It's just our preferred platform. But use whatever you want as far as prop trading is concerned. I have tons of people who use Top Step. I have people that use Take Profit Trader. So we don't discriminate. One minute to watch. TradeStation, we don't have a link to set up all your charts on TradeStation like ours are set up because nobody really uses it, but I don't have a problem if you use that. Can we see the ES? Yes, we can. Deadsville. And let's lower to 67.11 so we don't miss it if we go up that high. Actually, I'm going to go 1050. Expect up 18 points. Nah. And what we're going to watch this morning is our 5-minute orb. So you'll see it starting to form on my chart. Well, this is our 5-minute orb. So what we're going to look for in that is a break to the upside or a break to the downside at 9:35. And then we're going to leave the 5-minute orb up until like 9:45 and then change to the 15-minute orb. We are just relaxing this morning. Bitcoin bouncing a little. Tesla, Gigantor bounce. Oh, don't care. Palantir, giant bounce. Nvidia, giant bounce and pullback. Why, JR? More sellers than buyers. That's the only thing we care about. Good rule of thumb, 41, just getting into trading. That's a good question. Find somebody that can teach you how to do this. Somebody you trust. Somebody who's going to hold your hand throughout the whole process. That's the best advice I can give you. All right, we'll see if we break the 5-minute orb on the downside. We're not there yet. We got 4 minutes left. Guys, what do we have out in this? 68, Scotty, in the MESs, just in case. I think it was 68 or 69. Focus on risk management, yes. No, but we had something out earlier this morning I'd like to put back out. I think it was like 60. I forget it. It's not anywhere near that. I think it was like 69, guys. Yeah, I'm putting it out. Yep, I know we're watching the orb, but 66, 69. If we spike all the way down there. Gold's getting a smackdown here, guys. Let's see if we get down to that 32 fast. Oh, I put that order in the wrong spot in MESs, didn't I? Yes. I do it all the time, guys and girls. It was 66, 69, right? Let's do it small if we do it on this popper. And guys, just the MESs. See if gold hits on this pop down. Again, take it slow. We're on gold on this pop down. 69 for a small trade. Gold bounce. Canceling gold. Waiting. Getting close. Let's just chill out. Relax. Don't do it. I'm not in a hurry to do anything this morning, guys and girls. If we get 69 on this pop down, we're good. Do it. Do it for a quick trade. Come on. 40-20 in gold. All right. What is that? The 4-hour 200 EMA. Wow. I'll go look at it, but I like it if we get there. 40.21. Ah, we bounced into ESs, guys. Dang. All right. Do we still like 69 is the question now. What's the consensus, guys? Look at gold, 4 hour. Leaving it out? All right, we'll leave it out for a minute. Doris says no. Jason says yes. Let's give it one more minute. How close did we come? That's the question. 1.5. Scotty, what do you think? Leave it or no?
You're talking about 69 quarter?
Yeah, you're level. Do we still like it? It missed it by a point.
Yeah. No, because if we push down, I got 64. And I've got what's this other level? Let me stretch my chart a little bit.
That's enough. Good. 64, we're going to.
Yep.
Thank you. All good, baby. I keep putting it in $100 away, guys and girls.
You and me both.
I do it every day. Every single freaking day I do it.
The pack. You'll tell where the market is going to be going here. I know
66,
on
64.
my list that I didn't bring you. It's even close.
66, 64. Gold? What happened in gold? Did we hit 32? Gold hit 32.60, Mike. Missed it by 60 cents. You got to be kidding me. Wow, this market just ripped up, guys and girls. Holy crap. Are you kidding me? What the hell happened? You going to buy the top of the orb here? We just went up 30 points, guys. Are you kidding me? Did some news come out or something, guys? Normally, I would have done the top of the orb, right? Holy crap. That's insane.
It's just volatility, Dave. You're going to get a lot of that today.
I know. It's insane, though. Jesus. If we were fast enough, I definitely would have shorted the top of the orb at 98.
Yeah.
Whack. Whack. Missed gold by 50 cents, guys. It went up $20. It got to 32.60. Our original order was 32. Really? All right, let's just sit. Relax. Cancel that. I like 67.11. I like gold at 40.80 if we go in that direction. What order? This is insane. Insane, insane, insane. We like gold at 40.80. Let's put that out. I'm down with that. You want to go up another 20 points from here? We are in. What a snapback. You guys see all this volatility, YouTube? Crazy, man. This is when you try to stay out of trouble. That's all. Relax. That's why I said we cancel everything for the opening, but unfortunately, we couldn't get hit on the downside in anything. All right, get rid of this. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. These are the orders that are in play right now. We're going to lower it to 67.09 in the ESs, MESs, whatever your choice is. That's a 65 EMA. We just broke out of the orb above, what was it, like 98? Hasn't really paid much now. But we broke out of the orb at 98. Gave you 2 points in the ESs. So this is a trade we look for, guys and girls. Okay. What order? Jesus Christmas. This is a trade we look at, the orb breakout. We got 2 points on it. Maybe we'll get oil. I mean, gold at 80. I like it if we get that. Oil, I mean, look at gold, guys. The break of the orb was 59. And it gave us 8 points. Anyone get these orb breaks? Anybody? Talk to me, goosies. We're not concentrating on these things, guys and girls. Gold was great for 6 points. ES was great for a couple of points. Yeah, all right. Relax. All good. I like 80 in gold. I like 6709 in the MESs. Good. Beautiful. So let me walk you through this trade. Okay. Guys, both of these trades. All right, ES, we're looking for break the top of the orb at 935. The level was 98, and it gave us 2 and 3 points. Gold. The orb breakout was 40.59, and it gave us 2 and 5 points. Actually went up 10 points. So those are 2 early trades that we teach you how to do. And you just would have hit both of them. Boom, chaka-laka laka. What's up, gamer? All right, gold, we're at 80 now. I like it. That is our 30 EMA. If we can get up there quickly, I am down with that. Boom, chaka-laka laka. Get my orders out. 80. All right, we'll look at the ES. ES, I love it. I like ES. Oh, we got a 6709. We're good with ES. Works for me. We're good, we're good, we're good. 80 in gold. 09 in... Yeah, I like the 09. We got the VWAP right above that. That's like 15. We'll give 09 a couple minutes here. I like it. We're good. We're good, we're good, we're good. I'm not buying bottom. We will buy bottom of the orbs now, guys. 100%. I'll show you guys what that looks like. I don't think it's going to happen. Who knows? This market is insane today. So when we're looking at the ES, we'd love to buy the bottom of the orb now, right? That would be down now 22 points. It's not going to happen. But that's what we'll be looking at for this trade. Actually, we're going to change now to the 15-minute orb. Let's do that, guys and girls. And then we look for breakouts or breakdown on the 15-minute orb. Everybody in YouTube, if you're trading our techniques, have you made a couple of banana skins today since we have joined us? Give me some ones. My YouTubers. There we go. Boom. All right, let's change our orb now. We're going to go 15-minute. And we'll look for the same kind of trades now, guys and girls. Okay, there's our 15-minute orb. Would I buy the bottom of the orb as well as a sell stop? No, I would buy the bottom of the orb as a limit order to get long. Why did I cancel the 66.77 in ESs. Why did I cancel that? I don't know why I canceled it. I have to go back and look too. Trying to break the top of the orb here. Do we still like 09 and the MESs, ESs? Let's take a look. Yep, I still like it on this pop up, guys. Still like it. I'd have to go back and look, guys. I don't remember. Oh, I'll tell you why we canceled it, guys. Because we came close the first time it hit it right here, guys, at 77.75. Everybody look right here. Yes. Pre-market, we missed that by 3/4 of a point. So when we come close to something, we're going to cancel it. So that's why we canceled that order, pre-market. Okay? Because it missed our level by less than a point. So now we cancel. Because the second time it goes back to that level, chances are it's going to break through it. And that's exactly what happened. That is the rule. All right, let's go to the ESs. I'm thinking about the ESs now. Let's take a look. Well, if we want to be really safe, guys, we go up to the VWAP at 14. If we're not comfortable here at 09, let's do it. It's been a great day, great morning. I still think you probably get a quick couple of points of 09, but let's be patient. We'll go to 14. Be patient. Good cancel, guys. Boom. If you got stuck, you know, take a little profit break even. It certainly didn't stop you out yet, but whatever. Conservative day. 67.14 on this pop-up. Small. I am small for the rest of the day, guys and girls. Oh, I just bought it. I am such an idiot. I can't do anything right. All right. Short tiny at 14. Try to get a point. There's 13. There's a point. Try to get 2 points at 12. And keep it very tight on the sell side now. I don't want to give any money back. Have a break-even stop at 14. Let's just put money in the bank all freaking day. Out. Got one pop. 1 point. Let's relax. And there's the orb breakout. Boom. 67.07, guys and girls. Went up 5 points. Holy mackerel. Scotty, how do we keep missing these orb breakouts? Why is someone not telling me? Dave, 67.07 is the top of the orb. Someone come on the microphone and scream, please. Okay? I have a million things going on. Help us out. Please. Yeah, we need an orb only guy. I'm going to start paying someone.
Orb breakout on gold soon.
I'm going to start paying somebody for orb breakouts only. All right, let's cancel the short and gold. Not crazy about anything. All right. Everybody take a breath. Are we going to get a far from moving? Hey, Vish, somebody, give me something in the ESs. What do we got? I mean, we got 42. Nah. Are we getting far from moving average trade? Holy mackerel. What a reversal from this morning, guys and girls. I know we have 46, but let's look on our charts. 41 is a 15 EMA. 38 is the 30 EMA. 24 is the 9 EMA on a 1 hour chart. Want to try that, guys? Let's try it small if we go up there now. 24. Again, I'm doing one contract. That is our 9 EMA on a 1 hour chart. Small. Let's pop up. Kaliman can do the orb breakout. Love it. Boo. We got the 21, guys. I'm leaving that 24 out. Boo. Boo. Question now is, do we want to buy the top of the orb, guys and girls? Yes? Top of the orb is 08. Bump, bump. Do we buy it? It's down 10 points. We try. Yes. Down 13 points. Boom, chaka-laka laka. Yep. Top of the orb. We buy. Gold. Nothing. Never broke on top out of the orb, guys. So chill out. All right, we are 17 and 24. I mean, 08 and 24 now. So meanwhile, Florida Power and Light, we called them at 7:15 this morning and said they'd be here in 30 minutes. It's now 2.5 hours later, and they're not here. Okay, let's see if we can get the 08 Smack-a-Dacka right now. Do it. Again, guys, we are tiny now. Do it. Do it. Do it. I don't trade Ethereum or the US dollar, but you give me a symbol, I'll look at it. All right, we're good where we are. Leave everything where we are. Gold backed off. Don't care. Is the day over, guys? Been a hell of a morning if it is. Let me ask Roman if I have accounts to give you guys. Orb stays all day, Shane. That orb does not go away now. I'll let you guys know. I'm not sure if I do or not today. Next week, we have our live boot camp, guys and girls, but we'll still join you those mornings, Monday and Friday. Is there anything about the orb in the course? Yes, Scotty, we have orb in the course, right? We do not. We have it recorded, though, a night session, right? We got to get that. I got to get Roman to put that in the course immediately. Is that in the course, Anthony? Oh, so we have it. All right, it is in the mentorship, Azir. It is in the mentorship. The day is 9/11. Okay, Azir? So go look at your mentorship. By the way, guys and girls, in our course, just so you know, we record every Thursday night meeting, and it goes in our archives. So Azir, find the 9/11 meeting, and it's there. All right, do we still like 24 here? Gold just broke out of the top of the orb. Anyone get it? Oh, Doris got it. There's your 2 and 3 points.
I'm still in it.
I'm still in it. Who's that? We just missed the 25 again, guys. We got to, no, we didn't. Yeah, we got to 23.25, guys. Let's relax. I agree, Scotty. 9:30 orb was spectacular. 9:45 orb was spectacular and everything. Jeez Louise. That's like a month maker. Box the Orb t-shirt. Where are we in gold? Ooh, gold is coming up to that 80 level.
I just made my day with that oil break on the gold.
Boom, chakalaka. Love it.
With
Gold hit 80,
micros.
guys.
With
Oh,
micros.
that's all right. Whatever. Guys, I canceled the 80 in gold and it just paid 5 points. Why am I so stupid this morning? 22 work short. Yeah, we didn't do it. We had 24. We had 25. We stink on ice. Look at our 30 EMA in gold, guys. It was 80. 5 points. All right, here's the bottom line. We want to be long the ES's. Top of the orb is 06. But do we like our regular moving average trade at 10 now, guys? We went up to 22. Our 65 EMA probably works. I don't know. Let's be patient. And guys, I apologize. All right, I have to apologize. We're going to miss trades. We're going to cancel orders that we had out there that would have worked. And there's no sense in even talking about it. So it is what it is. Next trade. Next. Scotty's at 67.34. Okay, let's pop that out in the MESs. We get a lot of our trades off Fibonacci's, guys. And P.S. There's an hour-long course on Fibonacci's included in your any course that you buy also. Ari got gold. Good, Art. Excellent. Yes, don't stop believing. Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling. Oh, shit, I did get the old. I got the gold short. Just in a different account. Oh, who cares? I got the old thing. Whatever. Who gives a shit? All right. What do we want to buy gold? Gold went down 10 points from that level. Who cares? Next. We are trading the micro contracts in gold, Julian. 4 of them with an 8-point stop. The ATR is now 12 in gold. So if you're going to do anything, micro contracts, okay?
Both ATRs are in 12. ES and gold.
That's crazy. Gold 4107 short. I like it. Let me know if we start going in that direction. Scotty's got a fib at 34 in the MESs. We're all over that. Don't jump in before that. Let's just relax. Hold on to that feeling. We want to get long, guys. Bottom line, if we can. I'm not going to force anything, but we want to get long. 10. 8. 10 and 8 now. Let's come up to 10. Boom. I'm leaving it at 34 if we go up another 10 points, Scotty. I'm cheating by that much. I'm good with that. It'll be a far from moving average trade, too. How do you categorize between trades in your journal as a win or a loss? We write down every single trade that we do. By the way, we provide you with a journal in the course. I don't know what else we can do. Every time we talk about something, it's in there. We write down every single trade that we do. We write down why we got into the trade, where we got into the trade, what was our stop order on the trade, and how did the trade work out on every trade that we do. And wait, there's more. 4091 gold short. Let's take a look. Take a look, Doris. What is that? What do you got there? Pivot point? It's up 16 points. And a fib. I like it. Let's do it. MGC 4091. Boom. That's the beauty of the live trading room, guys and girls. We have some people in the live trading room who just know what they're so good. Love it, love it, love it. And we're getting more and more people in the trading room that are posting more and more trades. Spectaculicious. All right, take a chill. Take the long way home. Pivot point in gold is, yeah, like 80. It's close. It's like 89. Yes, so we got two things up there if we get there. Please, guys and girls, do not risk much money anymore today. Can I say it any louder? It's not going to get any better than this. Okay? I would trade 1 micro or whatever, 2 micros, and just take it slow for the rest of the time that we are here. Azir is done for the day. That's what I like to hear. Oh, when I make 0 on a trade, is it a win? No, market is break even and it doesn't count. Hit my goals and sticking to it. Yes. That is the key to this, guys and girls. When we have a good day early in the morning, we go home. Go do something else. Do we like the top of the orb in gold now as a buy? 73. We got 85. It's close. I say we pass and wait a little more conservative. In the groove. Wah, wah. All right. Take a breath time. Relax. Don't do it. All right. Do we have to adjust our orb top in the ESs? Well, we're at the 65 EMA. That is 10. We got 10. We got 9. And we got the top of the orb at, no, it's 10 and 9. So I'm going to do this. 1 at 10 and 1 at 9 if we go in that direction. MESs. 1 at 10 and 1 at 9. That probably will work too, Vish. I'm going to be more conservative though. Vish has a fib at 1325 if anyone wants to try it real quick. I think we didn't miss that by much though. Got to 1475, Vish. Womp, womp, womp. Look at me. When will you expect the orb talking? It's in there, Miso. Go to your archives, Miso, and look for the 9/11 archive. Miso. 9/11 archive. Okay? That's the date to look in your archive. That is an orb lesson. Okay? I'm going to have Roman add it to the course. In the actual course. But for now, go to your 9/11 archive. 6734 is a Fibonacci on the upside in the ESs. Longer term fib. Done for the day. Got a payout of 600 this week and 1 PA next week. Ah, I love it. Way to go, Hendrik. Get out of here. Bye-bye, love. Hello, emptiness. I think I'm gonna cry. Goodbye, my love, goodbye. There goes my baby with someone new. Yes, Miso. It is in. There it is. We just posted it. 9/11 orb lesson, Miso. And I'm going to have Roman add it as part of the course. But it's in your 9/11 orb lesson. Okay. We never use the sell stop market and use the sell stop limit for the orb. It's always market. If you use limit, you might not get in the trade. It's always market. Because if you use limit and it ticks one tick above that, you're not in a trade. Exactly. Because I want to buy both of those prices, Michelle, if it comes in. One is the 65 EMA. Yeah, I'll make it easy for everybody. 67.10. That is the 65 EMA, and the 9 EMA is right below that. So I am certainly not trading anything more than minis. And quite frankly, I want to run this pop down. Bye bye, love. Hello, emptiness. Mini, mini, mini. Vish is 1375 is not really working yet. But I don't think Vish did it either. Let's hang. See if we can get 10. Tell you what, I want the 10 on this pop down. Otherwise, we'll go lower. You stink. You stink. You stink. You stink. You stink. So Vish had a fib at 1375, guys. I just paid a couple of points. I don't know if anyone did it. I was afraid to. All right, we'll go to 06 now. We missed that by a point. That went up 10 points. Oh, that was you, Jazz? 1325. Great call. I'm just so used to Vish pushing it. I know. Great call. We only went 2 points below it. Spectacular call. I chickened out. I saw it. I saw it, Jazz. It's only up 10 points. Fed speak now? Oh, you go Velt. All right. Hands in pockets, guys. Hands across the water. Water. And we don't know what the hell's going to happen with Fed speak, so. Do nothing. Bye bye, love. What the hell happened? Do I have an order out? I have no idea. Let me look. No, I still like 34 if we get up there. I like 06 if we pull back. Where's gold? Cancel gold for now. I think I'm going to cry. Goodbye, my love. Goodbye. There goes my baby. All right. Let's put the gold, the ES. I don't know. Should we relax while there's Fed speak? No, I'm not relaxing. 67.06 we're at. That works for me. I'll be down 21 points. Leave it out. So worst thing that happened, we get stopped out. So is there Fed speak now or not, guys and girls? We are not in any trades right now, Pastor. We have orders out, but we are not in any trades. Schmidt is speaking. Well, that can affect the markets, especially if he's talking about rates. So let's take a chill pill. We're good where we are, guys and girls. If we spike down to 06 or 34, we're good. Yep. We're good, and we're small now. So I like both those levels. We're fine. 06, 34. Worst thing that can happen with a stop loss is we limit our bad trades. Yes, that's the worst thing that can happen. Yep, yep. And we do have losing trades, guys and girls. I think we had one yesterday and one last night. We ended up positive, but we have losing trades. Everybody does. Anyone who tells you don't have losing trades is full of you-know-what-ski. You know? Hitting stop loss is blowing my account right now. I told you to buy gold this morning at 40.32. You'd be up $10,000 in it. What did I tell you, Anthony? What did I tell you? What are you in that's blowing your stop loss? Anytime you bought gold, you'd have a major home run. Unless you bought, 40 points after it went up. There goes my baby. I'm good on Scotty's fib at 34, Jazz. I'm sorry I missed your trade. That was a great trade. Well, the spiders recaptured that 666.56 level, right? Yeah. So remember we were talking this morning, guys, and I talked about that big daily number right here at 666.56. That's where we broke up above the orb. Boom. So we recaptured our weekly 9 EMA. Boom. And we're 2 points above it now. Kind of triggered that one for you too. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, William. In what, Shane? Everything? What are you looking at specifically? Morning, Boca. Yeah, I'm with you. We need a pullback. I'm down for lost a far from moving average trading gold. Let me see. Okay. Here's the thing with gold. I'll give you a little lesson, Santiago. When you see the RSI below 20 for this long, do not look for a far from moving average trade. Okay. We want a quick spike down, one little blue bar, and then the bounce. When you see a 30-minute period of time, when anything has below a 20 RSI, we do not even look. Don't even look. Rule. Once we pass our eval and you kind of reset, when you get it to 3,000, when you get it to 3,000 a year, take $1,000 out. Okay. If you get it back up to 3,000, take $1,000 out, or you can build a cushion after that. Getting to $3,000 in your PA account means that you lose the trailing drawdown. All right, you can only take out 900 at 3,000. Whatever it is, take the most you can. But once you hit 53,000, you now have a $2,900 cushion. Okay? So get it to 3,000 before you make a request for money. Gabishi? We must have a little Fed speak going on right now. The ES is plummeting. It's okay. We're trying 06 if we get there right now. Do it. Small. We got 06 and 04. Let's go 05. Split the difference. On this pop down, we're canceling that too. Fed speak could be screwing everything up. So this pop down at 05, we shit can't. Pardon my language. And MESs and small. And we want it on this Nick Papadopoulos. Otherwise, we're going to take our ball and go home and cancel everything until this guy's done speaking. Do I recommend keeping a small cushion above 50? Yes, absolutely. Bull, you got 66.97 in ES? All right. If we don't get hit on this pop, we're canceling it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beep. We wait. Our 30 EMA is 6703. Yeah, guys, this is news. Let's just keep the money in the bank. I don't care. Right? Relax. Gives a crap. So, how good would have 08 would have been? 07, 06 would have been? Where were we? Went to 07.25. We missed it by 2 points. Whatever. All right. I'm going to make a fresh coffee. We have no orders anywhere. I think I got 5 accounts to give away. Let me just check with Roman again. All right, guys and girls, don't leave. Yeah. Everybody get up. Stretch out. Don't even look to make a trade. We are done for the moment. All right. Hang out, my YouTubers. The live trading room is separate from everything else. Send me an email. I do an interview process. It's a separate charge. That's where we trade. We do business. We do business in the live trading room. Boot camp next week is from 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time till we finish. Usually at least 4 p.m., including Tuesday and Thursday nights for 3.5 hours. That's also included if you in the boot camp and any course that you buy. Look at this freaking ES. Really? Kiss my tuchus. Wah, wah, wah. That's no big deal. It only went up 20 points, guys. Gold broke out again. Nah, it's just sitting. Boy, it would have been cool if we got hit at 06, huh? Do you recommend getting the boot camp? 100%, Jaeger. And I'm not saying that money-wise. It has nothing to do with the money. I don't get any of that money. But the boot camp will accelerate your learning process by about, I don't know, 1,000%. Would you guys say who have done the boot camp in the trading room? Gary, you're a youngster. You're a youngster. That's a good thing about this. You can do this anytime. Doesn't matter how old you are. No, members can no longer visit the New York Stock Exchange unless you already set that up with Peter. They are giving him a hard time about that. How to trade with a 9 to 5. Buy the course for $300 lousy. Join us every Tuesday and Thursday night from 6 o'clock till 9:30. Yeah, that's how. 67.41, yes. We could absolutely put out 67.41 in the ESs. That's true. Aftermarkets, 67.41. We have been killing it in slow markets. How can I make the pivot points look not wider? That's a good question. Guys, our course is only $299 and we have payment plans. You can get the course for like $30 a month. Go to WSGTA.com. It. Yeah, I don't know. Are you saying that your pivot points are too close together, too far apart? I don't know what we're saying. I don't know what we're saying. Kaliman. SPY is at a sell point. Let's look. No, not yet. If it gets up to the 200 EMA, it will be. If the market breaks down to the 65 EMA, are we talking in the ESs? Julian, what are we talking about? ES, MES? Talk to me. Oh, it's like a solid line. That is a setting. That is a setting I'll show you. I think I can show you. Pivot points, pivot points, pivot points. Here, where it says style, make sure it's a dotted line. Kalman. Got it? So go to your studies, go to your pivot points, hit the wheel, and just make sure you have it changed to a dotted line. Boom, chaka, laka, laka. Because you'll see here, solid line, dotted line. Boom. Look at that, Scotty. I did that by myself. You got it. The sell point in the spiders, if we're going to do anything at all, would be our 200 EMA. All the way up here. 670.14 would be a short. And I'm glad we recovered that level for all to see. All right, all we got out is 67.41. Everybody take a 5-minute break. Get up, stretch out. It has been a hell of a day today. We'll be back in a few. Frame, the stronger the EMA, if it moves far enough to hit something. Okay, Sant? So the higher the time frame, the stronger the EMA, but it still has to move enough to get there. And then moving averages go in order of strength. 9 is the weakest, 15, 30 a little stronger, 65 stronger still, and the 200 is the strongest of our moving averages. Geez, we're basically teaching you guys the whole class on YouTube too. Back in a few. All right, guys and gals, what are we doing? We're stretching out and everything. SPY's almost hit that 200. ES's. I still like 41, guys. For a little trade ski, wait ski, no? Yeah, I still like it. Small. I have about, okay, here's what we're going to do. YouTubers. I have about 10 minutes and then they're shutting off my power for the day. Boom, chakalaka laka. We are done anyway. It's been a spectacular morning. I have 5 accounts to give away to my YouTubers. Well, let's see if we get this 41 on this Nick Papadopoulos. I can give away some accounts, guys and gals, before we get out of here. Yes. I lost 10,000 from yesterday, and today, what's up? Don't like the fact that you lost 10 grand yesterday. That's not good. Hello, emptiness. Okay, I'm going to post an email in here. I'm still good at 41, guys, if we get there. Do not email me. Okay. This is an email. Everyone copy it, paste it. You're going to email our tech support and he will send you the account. Give everybody a minute once I post it, wsgta.com@gmail.com. Okay. Does everybody, you stink. I'm still leaving it. Does everybody have that email? Give me some ones. Do not send me an email. Send the email there. Because every time I do this, I get the email. I know the ES just missed. I'm still going to leave it out there because it's a 10-point move to get back up. Yes, yes, yes. We are good. Okay, I am going to go all the way to the top because I want to pick someone who has been here the longest with us from early morning. Now, that doesn't mean they're going to be here. So I give everybody a few seconds. Our first winner is Jose Calabero. Jose Calabero. Are you here, Jose? Nobody type anything else in now. Stop typing. Jose, are you here? Jose going once. Jose going twice. Jose is not here to get an account. All right. Our next winner is Johnny Boy 2934. Are you here, Johnny Boy? Tell me if you are here. Johnny Boy 2931. Johnny Boy. Johnny Boy going once. Johnny Boy 2934 going twice. Johnny is here. Send an email. You are our first winner. Boom, chakalaka. Our next winner is going to be William Castro 5242. William Castro 5242. Are you here? William Castro going once. William Castro going twice. William is here. Send an email. You are winner number 2. Winning. Oh, you know what I'm going to do, guys and girls? Okay, here's what I'm going to do also. Winner number 3. Is your rider 1813. Your rider 1813. Are you here? Your rider is here. You are winner number 3. Winner number 4 is going to be Jaeger Bawana 6012. Jaeger Bawana 6012. Are you here? Jaeger Bawana. Jaeger, you're welcome, your rider. Jaeger. Jägermeister, are you here? Going once. Jägermeister, are you here? Going twice. Yeah, Jägermeister, you are winning number 4. Our last winner is going to be, here's what I'm going to do, guys and girls. Anyone who buys any of our courses today, okay? Anyone who buys any of our courses today, I am going to give a free account included. So that's $50 off. No, it's more than that. What is it now? How much is it to open up an account now? $87? Scotty, anybody? Can you tell me? Without a sale? Anybody? Someone in the trading room, tell me how much Apex is right now, please. $101. $101. Guys, take profits. Boom, 3 points. Oh, crap. I screwed this up. ES. Come on. All right. Guys, everybody get a quick trade from 41? Boom, chaka-laka-laka. That went down 3 points, guys. All right, we are done. I wouldn't even think about trading anymore. What am I doing? Oh, my God. All right. MES. Guys, that was a 3-4 point trade. Holy mackerel. $300 on my PA account. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. I missed covering it in my other account. Oh, no, I'm long. Jesus Christmas, sell one. Oh, my God, did I screw that up? All right. Everybody get that trade at 41. That's insane. What a great trade that was. Wow. Okay, so right now, guys and girls, YouTube, it costs $101 to open up an account on Apex. I'm giving you that account for free. Hold on here. Left an order out and something else. I'm giving you that account for free, included, if you buy any of our courses today. So the course is $299. I heard you. The course after the account is going to cost you $180. WSGTA.com. The last winner is, guys and girls, William Castro. Are you here, William Castro? William Castro going once. William Castro going twice. William Castro, William Castro is here. Send an email. All right, YouTubers, I got to go. Today was an unbelievable day. This is close to like a record day for us. Buy the course. It's only costing you $150. Let's hope this is the worst day we ever have, and tomorrow's a better day. We are out of here like Vladimir. YouTubers, I will see you on Monday.